Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!
Dillon's, the small batch peach schnapps. You know, peach schnapps, it's never been one of my favorites. Peach schnapps. Peach schnapps. Love it or hate it. It's an inexpensive, heavily sweetened liqueur. What more can I say? It sucks. Not my favorite. But recently, Stefan, one of my patrons on Patreon, turned me on to this Ontario-made liqueur. This is Dillon's Small Batch Peach Schnapps from Beamsville, Ontario. I was a little skeptical at first when my crew picked up a bottle, but then I thought, well, why not give it a go? The look of the bottle is kind of fun, isn't it? So, what's inside? Fresh Niagara peaches, non-GMO cane sugar, and Ontario neutral rye as its base. I'm going to guess here that the rye is distilled until it's neutral in taste. A rye that would showcase the true flavors of the grain. Also, you know, there's no artificial colors or flavors. All right, let's check it out. Lovely color, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It has a fragrant aroma of peaches. I'm smelling raisins and a faint hint of black tea. There's a smell there, though, that I can't put my finger on. It's like reminiscent of a smell that lingered on in a homemade wine my uncle used to make back in the late 1960s. I got a bottle of it right here. Well, actually, this is a 1976. Oh yeah, there's the smell. I don't know. Actually, and it's in a whiskey bottle. Good for you, Gord. I'm not sure about that smell, you know. I think it might be a combination of the spice coming from the Ontario rye, along with the fruit, possibly the fermentation process. The color is beautiful though, isn't it? Look at this. A light, warm amber peach color. Let's taste it. Wow, that is nice. Right off the bat, peaches are flooding my mouth. At only 24% alcohol by volume, or 48 proof, there's a real warmth coming from that Ontario rye. It's not too sweet either. When I compare it to, let's say, De Kuyper's Peachtree Schnapps, let's do that. I mean, look at the color difference. And this is all bleached out or something. Well, you know, there is no comparison. Oh man, I don't know. At 23% alcohol by volume, or 46 proof, De Kuyper's is somewhat artificial tasting and overly sweet. I think Dillon's Small Batch Peach Schnapps is a much finer product and would be very workable in a variety of cocktails because it isn't overly sweet. It would pair well with other fruits like plums and nectarines. Pineapple and coconut would work well too. How about this? Dillon's Peach Schnapps with a hint of cinnamon syrup, some gin or vodka, ginger bitters, and maybe a splash of something carbonated like ginger ale or sparkling wine. Sounds like a match made in heaven to me. Personally, I think Dillon's nailed this one, except for that smell. I don't know about that. The jury's still out on that one. It could be just me though. Oh, and I do love Dillon's slogan, handcrafted, one batch at a time. Cheers. Thanks, Stefan.
Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!